So what all you could possibly expect in your connection. Okay, so let's start. Capricorn, for the next 7 days, all that you need to know about your soulmate, relationship and overall life. So what's happening in Capricorn's life currently? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Right now with Ace of Swords, many of you guys are waiting for clarity. Okay, some of you guys could also have cut off some toxic person from your life. If it's not a romantic partner, then someone who had to be cut a long time ago. Okay, top card we have here is Ace of Pentacles. Bottom card is Knight of Wands. So in the past, you did have someone who seemed interested in you. Okay, but right now with Ace of Swords, you want more clarity about the about the situation, and with majorly with Ace of Pentacles, some of you guys are ready to move forward in life. Okay, you guys are not wanting to stay strangled to a connection that was not leading anyway. Okay, so give me one more card for what's happening in Capricorn's life. What's happening in Capricorn's life currently? With the moon in the reverse, you no longer want to stay in the dark. You no longer want to stay stuck in your fears, your insecurities. You know, you want to get out of your comfort zone now. Okay, for some of you, truth is definitely on the way. Clarity is definitely on the way. Whatever was hidden from you, whatever secrets, dark secrets that you need to know about is possibly coming to light very soon. Okay, or already for some of you must have come. Okay, and that led to you cutting this person out from your life. Okay, take what resonates in your case. So let's, okay, with two of cups. Yeah, for some of you, it is about your person, that is your partner. Okay, some of you might have cut an ex or past person out of your life because of whatever you got to know about them. Also for some of you, I feel like there was a person who was lying to you. They were manipulating you. They were possibly taking advantage of you in every which way, trying to be smart. This person could be an air sign. Okay, I see Aquarius. I see Libra. Okay, I see Pisces and Cancer as well, to be honest. Okay, so give one more card for what else we see coming up in Capricorn's life next 7 days. This doesn't have to be a recent past. Okay, like this one, like could be someone from the like someone who is prior to your ex. Okay, recent ex. With 8 of Swords in the reverse, you're finally freeing yourself up from the burden of having to stay stuck to a situation that you had no clarity about. Okay, for many of you, I finally see you guys freeing yourself from something that you could not free yourself from. Top card we have is Nine of Pentacles. So some of you are going to get happily single now after going through a toxic mess for many many months. I would say you guys are finally going to feel better about yourself. Like you are finally free from the burden. Okay, in terms of your soulmate, what are they up to? In terms of with Nine of Wands, I believe your soulmate is still not opening up completely. In the past, we have Knight of Swords, but we do have energy which tells me that they are still thinking about you. They might not have taken any sort of action towards you, but they are heavily thinking about you. With Nine of Wands, this person seems wounded, someone who lives in a self-pity, you know, someone who's all crybaby kind of thing. I believe this person could be a water sign. Those people always cry, right? I'm a Libra with bits of Scorpio in my chart as well, but whatever. So I do feel like your person has their walls up, guards up, is trying to live in a self-pity world, is still thinking about you. Okay, so what are they up to? So what's a Capricorn soulmate up to? Capricorn soulmate up to. Okay. With Strength card, I still see this person resistant, not completely like moving forward. In the past as well, I do feel this person wasn't really taking any sort of action towards you. Okay, but with Queen of Pentacles, darling, this person isn't ready for commitment. Okay, I believe the reason why they are not coming forward is because they are not prepared for you. You know what I'm trying to say? So yeah, in terms of how they view you now, Capricorn soulmate. With 4 of Cups, they feel like you are going to reject them. Like you are going to possibly ignore them, not take them seriously. Okay, one more card for how do they view themselves now? How do they possibly? With 7 of Wands, they know that they were possibly with 7 of Wands, they could have held themselves responsible for where this connection has got. Okay, with Seven of Wands, this person had their walls up, guards up. They were not taking chances. This person is not a risk taker. Okay, this person wants his or her comfort zone, and whenever things start blowing up, this person starts running away. Okay, start saving their ass first. Okay, top card we have here is Knight of Wands. They are still very much passionate about you. They still desire you. It's just that they are not willing to take that risk forward. Okay, risk of unknown. One card for how do they view the connection? How do they truly view the connection, Capricorn, for the next 7 days? How do they truly view the connection? With Tower card, they see it as a breakup, as a fallout, as something that you guys are not together, something that you guys are not even seeing each other eye to eye. Okay, so there has been a serious fallout. In the past, we see Seven of Swords in the reverse. So in the past, someone could have cheated or been very deceptive. Okay, and that led to this. With King of Wands, howsoever, they still want this with King of Wands. Okay, they still want to move forward in this connection. They haven't quit on it, or they haven't given up on it. Okay, one more card for how they view you now in terms of feelings. How do they view you now? Okay. With Nine of Cups, darling, you are still their wish fulfillment, their dream come true person, someone they really wish to have or be with. Okay, in the past they could have hurt you real bad with Ten of Swords. Right now with Queen of Cups, this person still loves you crazy. Okay, I'm going to confirm that. In terms of how do they feel for you now, in terms of how do they feel for you now, in terms of how do they truly feel for you, Capricorn soulmate. But with a star in the reverse, that's something. With a star in the reverse, they are not very optimistic, or they have lost that faith. Like, you know, they still do not have that faith that this can lead somewhere. Even though they want it, they still do not have that faith that it could lead to something committed or long term. Okay, with Queen of Wands, but they are still up for it, but they have lost faith here, to be honest. Okay. One card for their intentions towards you now. One card for their intentions towards you moving forward. Moving forward, I see Eight of Wands. So they do want to communicate. They do want to message you. Start some sort of communication. Okay, they want to let go of their ego, pride, which seems a bit impossible but hard to believe as well. But yeah, I do feel like they are wanting to let down their walls, possibly talk to you now. Okay, so yeah, I do feel that this person wants to communicate very soon. Okay, that is the coming week. When, that is up to your person. But yes, in terms of intentions, they do wish to talk to you. Okay, so one card for what action are they going to take towards you now. What action are they truly willing to take towards you? Okay, we have a card. With Three of Wands, they are looking forward to this connection. Okay, they want to possibly look forward in this like towards you, like in that direction of a relationship. Okay, top card is Two of Wands, Three of Wands, which tells me that this could be a long distance relationship for some of you, not all, but for some of you. And this person, for few of you, this person had options. Okay, between you and someone else, and they were not really sure as to where they need to be. But in terms of feelings, this person genuinely has some serious feelings for you. Okay, so yeah, let's start. One card for what can you possibly expect from them now. What can you possibly expect from them? With King of Pentacles, for many of you, by the end of this year or by the start of the next year, this can move towards committed relationship. Even if it seems impossible, it has the it has high chances of this getting back together. Okay, and being a success moving forward the way you want it. Right now, howsoever, we still see confusion going on. Okay, but yes, it has some high potential of moving forward towards commitment. Okay, one last card for where this is going forward for now. Where this is going forward for now. Yeah, with Knight of Wands, I do feel your person will approach you. definitely there will be communication. If not, you guys go out on a date, I definitely see communication. Okay, by end of the year, if you're asking yourself that question, will this person wish me for New Year's, they'll definitely wish you for New Year's. For almost about 60%, if your relationship isn't that toxic, or if your person isn't narcissistic, I have high hopes that your person will wish you. Okay, with Ace of Pentacles, they might also want to gift you something very soon. Okay, so in terms of that, let's take love messages. What would your person really want to say to you now? Capricorn soulmate, what would your person really wish to say to you now? Okay, we have a card. Sometimes I talk to you as if you're listening, so they are very much dying to talk to you now that you are not around, and now that you guys don't see eye to eye, they pretend that you are around and they talk to you, if that makes sense to you. Sometimes people do that. Okay, creepy as hell, but yeah, they do that. What else would they want to say to you now? Okay. The intensity is too much to handle. I fear this connection. Your person wasn't used to such relationships. They were used to some petty relationships, sexual relationships, which did not last, which did not really have that sort of impact on them. And this relationship really messed up in terms of how they see it now, in terms of how they see a relationship now. It changed the outlook towards a relationship. Okay, last card. I do want a relationship. Okay, that confirms it. Just like the way I told you, this has the potential of moving towards something serious. Okay, I believe your person hasn't really taken any sort of risk towards you. They haven't really got out of their comfort zone. When they start possibly taking a step out of their comfort zone, things are going to be much easier for you. So for then, possibly hold on. Okay, in terms of what's really blocking the connection, what's really blocking the connection is you guys are not taking any sort of initiative. There is no decision being made, and that's completely blocking the connection. Okay, for selected few of you, your person was behaving like a player. Okay, they were not being very honest with you, and that always got in the way. Some of you will want to agree to it. So yes, this is your reading for the sign of Capricorn for the next 7 days. Thank you for your support that you guys showed in my last video. Please continue supporting the channel. I'll be posting a lot more bonuses for you guys every month. So yes, like the video if it resonates. If it does not, I totally understand. Comment, subscribe, and see you soon, guys. And all those who are wanting a personal reading from me, please reach out on my website shop and book one for yourself. See you soon. Cheers.